So let's talk about Bitcoin. Bitcoin finally moved up towards the $110,000 area, something that no surprises whatsoever. We were expecting it to go up anyway. It goes and touches the area of 110,000. It didn't touch it in full. It actually went to 109,752. That is the area it touched. But like I said, for us, it's a very straightforward case scenario with Bitcoin. As long as it continues to hold the downward support area, it always goes and hits the area of 110, and then it drops back down towards the 102,500, and then sometimes with a further and the last drop of bullish support, which is at 97,300. Why do I still call it bullish support? Because as long as it continues to hold 97,300, Bitcoin will always have an opportunity to rally towards 110 and do its overall up and down journey. But the moment it loses 97,300 and goes below it for more than 2 days, then you can say that, okay, Bitcoin has finally now started the downward journey. And the downward journey is, of course, going to be towards $70,000. Until and unless that doesn't happen, we cannot get bearish about it. We have to just assume that Bitcoin is going to continue with the upward journey. Now, over here, while it is something that it can go and turn around and again turn bearish, but the thing is that it is a double bottom structure. We cannot ignore this fact. And the neckline is at $110,000. If Bitcoin starts living above the area of 110, this area, it goes and touches it and it starts living above this, which means it closes 2 daily candles above $110,000. Then we have to assume that, okay, finally Bitcoin has started the upward journey towards 120. We have discussed 120 months after months. I don't know how long has it been. I'll tell you that. We are talking about 120 from how long? We are discussing this from the month of November 2024 up till now. So you're talking about almost 9 months. It's been 9 months that we are dealing with this pregnant Bitcoin that is promising that it will go up towards the $120,000, but it is not able to do that, and every time it fails. While on daily, it looks like a double bottom at the same time. If Bitcoin goes down, there is a massive risk of completion of a double top structure on weekly. This can turn bearish, and of course, things will get really, really questionable at $74,000. This basically is in line with the story of losing $97,000 and then dropping towards the area of 70. It is in line with that, and things will be really, really, really interesting at this area. But we will talk about it once it goes down. At this stage, our interest is only in 110. Will Bitcoin start living above $110,000 and start the upward journey, or will it fail and again drop towards 102,500? We have to figure it out. It's a moment of truth situation for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin is bullish, it needs to start living above 110. If it's not, it will crap itself again. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions, or I have touched on a topic and you expect me to explain a bit more, I'll try my best to explain that to you in the comments. Leave a comment, and I'm not going to tell you to like and subscribe, because if you're not interacting with the video, or if you're not subscribed, you're not going to see all the 10 videos that I make every day. You're going to miss out on it, and I think you are educated enough to understand what to subscribe and what not to, because if you want to miss out on it, then why not? It's for your own good, and you should know better what is good for you.